here's the old one. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's really gross. And the bottom is a little chipped. So we're gonna replace this. Now, I've already scraped the bottom of the door, so all these little paint flecks and paint chips won't get in the way of our new weather stripping. Okay, there's just a little bit more left, so you want to make sure it's nice and smooth all along the bottom there. So here I have our new one, and this was cut exactly to size. So if we match it up with the old one, you'll see they're pretty much exactly the same length. And not only that, but this was a custom order because these Kerfs, they call them Kerfs, I don't know if you can see it real close. These are 1 1/4 inch apart. So this is a hard size to find. All right, let's go ahead and install this. All right, so let's take a look at the finished product. Look at it right here. So here's the entire bottom weather stripping installed, and it's right up flush against the start, and it goes a little bit beyond the end, but overall this was the right size. So let's close it, and it closes nice and smooth. I don't feel any cold air coming from here, and I don't feel any cold air coming through here. I feel a little bit of cold air coming through here, just a little bit. But that's all right. Great, and I did the other door as well.